In this video, I'm going to show you how to upscale images using AI. Upscale means making them bigger. So for example, I have this picture right here, which is pretty small. I just opened it, and as you can see, it's quite small. Dimensions are 150 by 150. So we have this service called, what's the name? Upscale.media. The website is upscale.media. You can just go there and it will take you to the upload page immediately. So if we upload that image that we just saved right here, we'll be able to make it bigger. And they have some AI model that tries to fix the image. So as you can see right here, normal upscaling, it was 150 by 150. So it doubled it to 300 times 300. So on the left, it has this annoying square that doesn't allow me to sign. So on the left, you have the normal image that was just made bigger, and on the right you have the image that was made bigger but also used some AI model to make it smoother and a little bit like less grainy, low quality. So you can immediately just download the unprocessed version here by clicking download image, and if you want to make it even bigger, let's say times 4, here now you have the dimensions of this image, which will be 600 by 600. That's 150 times 4. So immediately made it bigger, and it also did the enhanced version of it. You have this thing to zoom in and check out the difference in details. Let's see, where can I zoom in? Let's say, I don't know, my ear. So here on the right, follow my point. On the right, as you can see, there's a difference between the enhanced version. The left part is quite grainy, low quality, and the right part is enhanced somewhat. So we can basically just download both images so that we can see what the difference is. So we go back to the folder. We have the original image. Look how small it is. We have the original grainy version. Look how big it is in comparison to the small one. And then the quote-unquote enhanced version. There we have all three. So we have the original, which is this small. This one 4 times bigger, and this one 4 times bigger, but also smoothened out, I guess. I don't know how to call it. So this is a pretty cool project. It's free. As you can see, I didn't go through any sign up or anything. I think you can do a few of these for free, and then you will have to pay. You can do 50 images for free, and then you can pay for those if you want to do more than just those. So yeah, just wanted to show you another one of those AI projects going around that are doing great stuff. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Have a wonderful rest of the day, my friends, and stay safe out there.